Welcome to another episode of Wisco Shenanigans!
Woo!
See the fields burning. Well, I see the fields burning, cause hell is coming through. I can't stop the dogs of war. I can't stop the dogs of war.
Get to see him here. Needs a battery for sure.
The f***?
What?
Is that a horn?
Where? Let me see.
Look at it.
What the
I've never seen anything like that.
That's cool.
That is, that's a f***ing horn.
Nice. What are you saying?
I've never seen an exhaust-powered horn. Oh, look at that. Wait.
This is number 2. And these are really cool. This is for airflow. That's so cool. I'm working on this right now.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Look at the light. Alert.
Oh, do it again. I saw a blinker. Nice.
Look at the lights on the
Oh,
inside.
that's sick.
Look at this.
Oh, nice. That's
cute.
really cool. That's sick.
How's this one do?
Anything?
No. Well, it does the dash lights, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, these are the wipers.
What is this? Flasher.
I'll see. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Oh, it's going fast. That's cool. So I'm just making sure that this is all flat so I can repair this. I'm gonna do this as well. Holy shit, it's so hard. Oh. It's taking a lot of juice. Electricity in the garage is flickering. Oh, whoa, I missed it again! You see the sparks? Oh. Careful.
I think that's stuck on now. Ah, starter solenoid.
Oh.
I think this was the horn thing.
Oh, you just pull the rope
I think.
and then this little thing just goes.
I think so. That's pretty dope though.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see here. Or not?
Feel the river rising.
Cap and rotor.
Capper rotors. Then mission wire sets. Spark plugs. Yeah.
Oh, wanted to go.
Yeah. Come on. Woo! Oh shit.
Woo!
Hey, that was good. Nice. My finger hurts.
How hard is it to do that?
It is, it is. So I'm in the process right now of removing these strips because you'll see those once I paint this. So this is what it looks like when I'm done with it. And do the rest of it. Woo, it's a lot of work. It has that, so it's a mail truck.
Yeah. Mail trucks had these.
Okay, let me see it.
Yep.
Oh, that's sick. Put it down. That's so cool.
We replaced everything in the ignition, the whole everything except for the distributor was replaced.
Okay.
Brand new plugs, wires, cap,
Yeah.
rotor, condenser, and points.
Okay.
Then we fired it up. It started. The starter's getting really weak, so we need a new starter. We need new wiring. We need a lot of shit, but we're getting there.
It started?
What?
It started? I didn't record it?
Yeah, it started.
Well,
A little bit.
Yeah, a
You
little.
know.
I was there. Full startup. But
Yeah, but that means we got it good though.
Okay. All right. This is end of day 1, so we'll see how it goes.
End of
Peace.
day 1.